Hi, my name is Kim Cullen, and I'm a personal injury attorney in Winter Park, Florida. In Florida personal injury cases, there are generally two categories of damages. One category is called special damages, and the other is called intangible damages. Special damages are generally those damages that can be fairly easily quantified. The most common special damages are medical expenses, both past and future, and lost wages, both past and future. Sometimes we run into cases where people have replacement services as a special damage. That would be when you have to hire someone to do something at your home that you can't do because you're injured. And there may be property damage, issues like that. But again, special damages are those that can be easily quantified. What I want to talk about in this video are what the other category of damages, which are called intangible damages. And those, you could probably guess, those are damages that are not so easily quantified. Those are things like pain and suffering and inconvenience and disability and impairment and mental anguish and loss of the ability to enjoy life. Those are all called intangible damages, and they're usually what most of our personal injury cases are argued about. The reason they're argued about is because they're so difficult to define, and they're so difficult for juries to define. In fact, many people, when we try cases, many people come to court and say, when we're picking juries, that I don't know how to calculate intangible damages. Or some people say, I don't even believe in intangible damages. I don't believe that someone should be able to recover pain and suffering damages, or the other ones that I talked about. Well, that's what the law is in Florida, and if there's evidence to support the award of intangible damages, then juries have to award it. And so a jury is going to be asked to award these types of damages, and there's an old court case that's supposed to provide guidance to juries that says that intangible damages reflect the enlightened conscience of the jury. Essentially, I guess that means that the jury has to think about the evidence that they've heard and think about whether those categories, the pain and suffering, inconvenience, loss of the ability to enjoy life, see if those things have been proved, those aspects of damages have been proven, and then they have to provide some sort of money award to reflect those damages. We believe that in most personal injury cases, the majority of the damages are those intangible damages. We also call them human losses or human damages. And that means that maybe our clients lost the ability to do something they love to do. Like, for instance, if our client used to be a great tennis player and loved to play tennis, and now they can't even hold a tennis racket, to me and to us, that would seem like something that would be worth a lot of money, or should be worth a large award of damages. And so we spend a lot of time thinking about these things, and we spend a lot of time trying to present those kinds of damages to the insurance companies and the lawyers that we work against in our cases. If you have any questions about intangible damages, how we think about them, and how we try to prove those intangible damages to our opponents in cases, please call us. We love to answer questions. You can call us in our office at 407-254-4901. You can always text us at 407-644-4444, or you can even reach out to us via the Facebook Messenger app.